Ever look at your suburban lawn and see nothing but wasted potential? That uniform green carpet is about to become something much more productive. Imagine stepping out your back door and harvesting everything you need for a fresh, organic salad right from your own soil. Today, I'm showing you how to transform your lawn into a high-yield vegetable patch that saves money and improves your health. Traditional lawns are thirsty and require constant maintenance. They consume water and chemicals without giving anything back to the ecosystem or your plate. By comparison, a productive garden creates a closed-loop system. You can even integrate chickens to help with pest control and natural fertilization. The first step is planning. You need to understand your land before you start digging. Location is everything for a successful harvest. Your vegetables need at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight daily. Watch how the shadows move across your yard throughout the day. Once you've found the sunniest spot, it's time to prepare the ground. There are 3 main ways to get started, depending on your budget. Option 1 is the traditional method, flipping the sod. Use a sharp spade to turn the grass over, burying it to decompose into the soil. Mix in high-quality organic compost as you go. This fuels the soil with the nutrients your young plants will need to thrive. Option 2 is building raised beds. This is ideal if your native soil is poor or rocky, and it's much easier on your back. Fill these beds with a mix of topsoil and organic matter. It provides perfect drainage and a clean slate for your seeds. If you're short on space or renting, option 3 is container gardening. Large buckets or pots can grow a surprising amount of food. No matter which method you choose, soil health is the foundation of everything. Healthy soil equals healthy plants and nutrient-dense food. Amend your soil with compost and well-rotted manure. These organic additions build the microbial life that helps plants fight off diseases naturally. Now for the fun part, planting. Start with easy crops like leafy greens, radishes, and bush beans to build your confidence quickly. Watch as your garden transforms in just a few weeks. Regular watering and a little sunlight turn tiny seeds into a feast. Try companion planting to maximize your yield. For example, planting marigolds next to tomatoes helps deter pests without using any chemicals. Use vertical space by adding trellises. Climbing beans and peas can grow upwards, leaving more room on the ground for other crops. Maintenance is key. Water your plants at the base early in the morning. This prevents evaporation and keeps the foliage dry to avoid fungus. If you have the space, a small chicken coop is the ultimate garden companion. They turn kitchen scraps into high-quality fertilizer. Nothing goes to waste in a productive food system. Even your kitchen scraps return to the earth through the magic of composting. The transformation is complete. This was once just a patch of grass. Now, it's a thriving ecosystem that feeds a family. You have the power to change your landscape and your life. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your garden grow. Grow your own food. Change your life. Thanks for watching, and happy gardening.